So I just got this off the TikTok shop. It just came in the mail today. Actually, I didn't get out TikTok shop. I ended up ordering on Amazon because well, Amazon's a little more trustworthy than TikTok shop. So this thing is a car jumper for ryobi. Ryobi 18 volt. Got a switch, on-off switch here. Pair of jumper cables. Really thin wires. So, I don't know if it's going to work or not. I'm about to go test it out on the van, though, because the van is dead. Okay. So, I'm going to check the van. Yeah, this thing's going to be dead. It's going to be too low anyway. Oh, yeah. Fucking quality wall station battery. Tell you what. Terminal's a little rusty. Let's see. How these things are small. Oh, was my power already on? I guess it was. Alright. Let's see if this thing can jump the beast. No. I cannot jump the beast. Maybe I gotta let it sit for a minute. Maybe I tried too quickly. Turn that battery off. Get a better connection. Okay. Oh, light's a little brighter. So, I think I gotta let it sit. Probably for a little bit. Maybe those terminals aren't getting a good connection. I let it sit off camera for a couple of minutes. It did it. It sucked all the life out of the battery. But it works. So, can't do it right away. Not on a big V8 on a 40-degree night in Oregon winter. But if you let it sit for a few minutes, if your battery's not completely dead, but it was so dead it wouldn't even click, it works. Yeah. $20 on Amazon. Able to jump the van.